Hi everyone, my name is Marcella Dominguez and I welcome you back to my channel. I am so excited to bring you this video today because it's a little bit like none other than I've done before. When I go on shopping sprees, I always try to find the most economical yet the most sharp looking clothes around. But today I am doing a ZARA haul. So the reason I'm doing this video is because I absolutely love the store ZARA. ZARA is always on my mind when I go out of town because the city in which I live actually does not have a ZARA store. So this video is also a petition, a request, a really strong urgency that ZARA come to El Paso, Texas. But I want to unbox the outfits that I chose, and the reason I want to do that is because I want you to tell me whether you like these lawyer outfits. Would you consider a lawyer if you found them wearing these clothes? And other ones, you might say, oh my gosh, thumbs down, those are horrible. I would not trust a lawyer looking like that. So here's the the wine colored blouse that I got from ZARA, and I really love the color, except as you can see it's super short, so I'm not so sure that I would be able to wear it even out and about because, to be honest with you, I just can't do it. What do you all think? Yay or nay? Leave it in the comments below. Now here is outfit number 2, which I actually really love. I love this blouse because it's so soft. Like I said, it's like a silky material, and I love that it's not too skimpy and it's really comfortable. So if you do the front tuck, after ironing this maybe just a little bit, you'll be able to wear this like with jeans or pants or whatnot. And if you put a blazer on top of this, then I'm sure it'll look really good. But I want to know, what do you all think? Is this too, do I look like an old lady? Is this old lady status, or does this look like super professional and like a lawyer you would trust? Again, lawyer outfits are available at ZARA if you just really look, but you have to pick the right pieces and you have to pair them the right way. So I want to know, what do you all think of this, and what do you think of the collar? It's not like a Peter Pan collar, and it's not a, your typical collar. So what do you think? Would this get on your nerves, or do you like it? Okay, so tell me that I am not the only one who really loves this outfit. I don't know why, I don't care what anybody says, but I really like it. What do you all think? I'm not so sure that I would be able to wear this, say, to the courthouse, but if you are in an office setting, all day, and I think it also depends what kind of vibe you wanna, what kind of vibe do you wanna have? What kind of clients do you have? Hey guys, so tell me down below in the comments which outfit was your favorite, and tell me which outfit you think is most appropriate for your lawyer to be wearing. Now, if you're the creative type, you may like outfits that are like these, or if you're more of a traditional client, then maybe you're gonna like, I don't know, maybe just the black outfits that seem a little bit more sophisticated. But I want to know from you because I want to know what you guys are thinking. Our business depends on wonderful, awesome clients like you guys. Who better to ask than the clients themselves what they think of our outfits? So do you prefer something a little bit more traditional? Do you like the creative? What do you think about sleeves like these? Maybe not all of these outfits are you, or maybe all of these outfits are outfits that you would trust your lawyer to wear and carry themselves very professionally and get the job done. So I want to know, because as you know, there are lots of lawyers out there, each with a different style, but we know that there are certain outfits that certain types of clients might like better. So I want you to participate in this experiment, and do not jump off of this video until you tell me in the comments down below which outfit was your favorite, or give me a thumbs down and a thumbs up next to the outfit number. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you liked this little outfit lawyer challenge. And if you liked any of these outfits, then you should definitely shop them at ZARA as part of the newest winter 2019 collection. Thanks.